Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. Please do consider to subscribe so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay guys, so on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of your wrinkles with potato. Okay, so I'm going to be peeling my potato now. After peeling my potato, you all know that potato is good to minimize your acne complexion. Potatoes brighten your skin. Potato is good, it acts as a natural moisturizer. Potato has anti-aging properties that can reduce your dark circle. Okay, then after peeling my potato, the next thing I'm going to slice. Then after slicing, I'm going to add to my blender. After adding my potato to my blender, the next thing that I'm going to do is to have a cup of water, then blend. After blending, I'll just add it to my bowl. Then the next thing that will be adding is my lime peel. Okay, so lemon is good, it acts as antioxidant. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that can reduce skin damage and premature aging. Okay, yes guys, after adding your lemon, which is the back, I'm going to just peel off the back, then use a grater to grate the back into your potato that you blend. Then after that, I'm going to be blending my aloe vera. Okay, aloe vera is good at anti-inflammatory properties that can help you to reduce pain, swelling and redness of wounds from your eyes. Okay, then after blending aloe vera, add it to your potato. After that, the next thing I will be adding is 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, just to moisturize your skin, to help you to protect wrinkles, dark spot, dark circle and all that. All right, please do consider to subscribe to this channel if you love what we do. All right, so guys, let's go ahead and let me show you how to use it.
I'm going to be showing you guys how to use your Irish smash potato fascia mask. Okay, so this is our fascia mask potato, and this is so lovely for face. It's so good, it gives you hydration and it helps your skin to look good and look pumping. Okay, so I'm going to be using my hand for today, using my hand to scrub your form of something like scrub your skin.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back.
Guys, after scrubbing your skin with it, it's not a scrub, it's just a normal cream, but you are going to use your hand to scrub, use your hand to wash it very well. Then you are just going to leave it for 5 minutes. Then it's so good in taking away your blemish, wrinkles and dark spots. You guys, these are the stuff that Andy wrote me a comment and said, please can you tell me what you use on your pimples, because a lot of people know me that my other channel, they know that I have a lot of pimples, a lot. You need to see my face, all my face, a lot of pimples. I have big pimples, like big ones. After pimples, I started dealing with dark spots as well. But to God be the glory, through all this stuff that I'm using, my face is really getting clear. So that is why I love to do YouTube. That is why I love to teach people about natural ingredients on how to get rid of pimples, acne or dark spots. Okay, because I have passed through that journey. I know what it means to have pimples on your face. I still have some, but it's not clear. But you need to see my face before, so you will know that this lady, she really tried. It's not easy, guys. When you have pimples on your face, for those pimples to clear off is not easy. It take me years, like it take a lot of years for my pimples to clear. It's very hard. Don't pray to have pimples, especially big pimples, dark spots. It comes with sunburn and a lot. Don't pray to have it. And if you have it, these are the stuff that I'm using. I'm not using any other thing. I do this on my YouTube channel, and these are the natural stuff that helps me out from my pimples. And try as much as possible to be having rest as well. Don't take too much. Have rest when it's necessary. When it's time for you to rest, just take a nap, rest your head, sleep. Just if at all it's just for 1 hour, make sure that you sleep very well, guys. And I'm going to leave mine for 5 minutes, then dap it off with warm water with a towel, okay? And after that, use your face scrub and you are good to go. All right guys, you can see that these things are dry off. You can see my face right now, they are really drying off, and it's really helping. It's good as well, okay? Yes. All right guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you all on my next video. Bye.